Hire2Retire is an identity governance platform used to automate user lifecycle management, access provisioning, and organizational structuring within a Google Workspace domain. The workflow begins in the Applications section, where the HR system and identity platform are selected. In this case, ADP is configured as the system of record for employee data, and Google Workspace is selected as the identity management system. Next, connections are established. Hire2Retire connects to ADP to securely retrieve HR data. It then connects to Google Workspace using OAuth authorization. During this step, an administrator signs in and grants consent through the Google OAuth screen. These permissions allow Hire2Retire to read customer and user schema information, along with organizational units, to accurately structure and display identity data within the platform. They also enable provisioning and management of users and groups, including creating, updating, and assigning access. In addition, Hire2Retire uses group visibility and membership data to evaluate conditions and enforce policy-driven access decisions. These permissions allow Hire2Retire to read and manage users, groups, organizational units, and attributes within the authorized domain. The View Customer-Related Information permission is used during the connection setup step to identify and validate the customer's Google Workspace domain. The View User Schemas on your domain permission is used in the HR to Google Workspace profile mapping step to retrieve standard and custom user attributes for mapping, transformation, and workflow automation. The View Organization Units on your domain permission is used in the Organizational Unit Assignment step to retrieve and assign organizational units based on HR-driven rules and policies. The View and Manage the Provisioning of Groups on your domain permission is used in the Security Group Membership step to create groups, manage groups, and automate group assignments during lifecycle events. The View and Manage the Provisioning of Users on your domain permission is used throughout the lifecycle workflow to create, update, suspend, reactivate, and terminate users in Google Workspace. The See Any Cloud Identity groups that you can access, including group members and their emails, permission is used within workflow conditions and access governance logic to evaluate group memberships and automate policy-based access decisions.